So in this class I am going to explain properties of ADO. ADO stands ActiveX Data Object. ADO stands ActiveX Data Object. So Visual Basic supports with database programming. One of the main features of VB is it supports database programming. Database programming means what? So using this feature we can connect a VB form to a database. It means Access, Oracle. Okay. So here using this ADO ActiveX Data Object we can connect a VB form to a database with the help of data bound controls. Okay, data bound control is nothing just like a text box. Okay, so ActiveX Data Object with the help of the properties of this ADO control we can connect database. We can connect a table in the database to a VB form, right? Okay, so here the properties of ADO are the essential properties of ADO data control are number 1 connection string, number 2 record set, number 3 record source. And these are the three essential properties of ADO data control. They are the three essential properties of ADO data control. Number 1 connection string, number 2 record set, number 3 record source. Okay, so what are the essential properties? Connection string creates a connection. It selects a data provider and creates a connection. Record set, okay, so it creates a link between database, and record source create a link between table in the database. Okay, these three are the major or essential properties to be needed to make a connection between a database and a VB form. Okay, so connection string, record set and record source. So connection string property, with the help of this property only, the database is connected to ADO control. With the help of these properties only, the database is connected to the ADO control. This property helps in selecting data provider and establishes a link to a database file. This property helps in selecting the data provider and establishes a link to database file. Okay, this property creates a connection. Okay, establishes a link or connection, okay, to select data provider and to database file. And then next one, record source property. This property helps us in selecting the record source. It means number of tables available in the database. This allows us to select a particular table and enables us to access the fields through the data bound control. There are so many tables available in the database. Okay, here generally we select only a particular table to show the table data onto the VB form. So this, with the help of this property, this allows us to select a particular table and enables us to access the fields. Then next, record set property. The ADO record set object is used to hold a set of records. From a database table. A record set object consists of records and column fields in ADO. This object is the most important and the one used most often to manipulate data from a database. This is the most important property to hold the data from the database and to manipulate the data from a database. Now I will show you the properties in VB program. Okay, VB. To how to add a data ADO control, go to project and components. Here select Microsoft ADO and data control, click on apply, close. Here this one is ADO control. The properties of, just simply select this control, right click on here, click here, this is ADO DC properties. This is the connection string property. Click on build here. Okay, so here it shows so many data providers. These are all the providers: OLEDB 3.0, 4.0, 3.5, like that, so many providers. Here we select the particular provider, click on next. Here we select the database. This I will show in the next class. Okay, thank you.